Hello everyone, welcome back to another 3 Minutes of 3.
Today we're talking about the speed of business.
Okay, so I'm going to try to fit this in 3 minutes as best that I can. So let's set the bar high and let's go. Right?
Yep.
Okay, so the speed of business. A standard person looks at a problem in their life, a bump, a molehill, a mountain, a brick wall. We all hit them in life. And, a regular person sees that as an impasse. A lot of times they hit it as an impasse. They say, okay, well, I tried, didn't succeed. Oh, well, I'm out. Right?
Right.
That is not how a business mindseted person does it, and that's not the speed of business. The way that you move at the speed of business, and it's more of a thought process, and so I'm going to help you with this thought process right now. Say that you've got a brick wall in your life. Oh man, the business hit here, right? Something come down on you heavy. Don't care what it is. It could be anything from, maybe you've got a certain venue that you make most of your money at during the year. They say, hey, I don't want you back this year, right? It could be anything, but let's just use that as an example. A person that is not business mindseted and does not have the speed of business in mind, they're going to hit that wall and they're going to backslide right out of business. They're going to backslide right out of it and basically go back to just doing whatever their vocation was prior. Maybe they'll go do other things, right? Mm-hmm. Whatever. But they won't try to overcome that hurdle.
Yeah.
Okay? So you can't let that happen in life. So the speed of business is this concept of how quickly can I get from here, where I'm at, to here, where I want to be, around that hurdle, right? Because in business, there is nothing but hurdles. There is nothing but molehills and mountains in business. No one is overly interested in giving you a ton of money because they want to see you succeed.
Right.
They're not. You have to make your own way there. Right?
Yeah.
You have got to do a lot of praying, a lot of crying, a lot of sweating, a lot of bleeding to make it over those hurdles sometimes. You just have to. Yeah. You just have to. It's the way it goes. If you think business people don't cry, trust me, they do. From time to time, the mental load becomes an overload, and you just can't handle it, right? And thank God that I have somebody, a Lord and Savior, that I can go to and cry upon those shoulders, right? Versus, I don't know, floating around aimlessly in the ether, I guess you would say. Okay, so, but you have this, you have this brick wall you hit. The speed of business is thinking, how quickly can I get over that? Sometimes you have to throw money. Sometimes you have to throw effort. Sometimes you have to bring in help. Isn't that right?
That's right, yeah.
Many a times I've hit a brick wall in my mind, not knowing how I was going to impasse this thing, and I've used Jessica. I have, haven't I? Just to help me.
Yep.
How about for you? Sometimes it's me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like if she had to take and fix a blown up engine in the car.
Yeah, that wouldn't be happening.
No, but I can, right? And so we rely on each other. So sometimes you have to bring in another person, another counterpart to help you around things. That means sometimes you have to pay them. Sometimes you have to pay them for that.
Yep.
Again, that's throwing money at it. That's throwing another person at it. Things like that. So the speed of business is a mindset. It's a mindset. How quickly can I overcome the difficulties that there is in business and keep moving as fast and as hard as I can. So that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes of 3.
Thank you for joining us.
And I just wanted to take and put a little plug here for ourselves. If you haven't checked out our Blacksmith PDFs page yet, go check over there. There's some new interesting things to help you with your business. And also, don't forget to stop and maybe get yourself some merch to help support a little business like this.
Yes,
so that's going to be it for this 3 Minutes of 3. Again, thank you all for watching. God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.